Welcome my dear fellows. So today in this video I'm going to explain you about the Newton's first law of motion. Now you are probably thinking why I had written the names of Aristotle and Galileo. It is because Newton's first law of motion was not the Newton's law. It was taken from the ideas of Galileo and other philosophers. Now let us not insult him anymore. After all, he was a respectful guy who made our science even more harder. Now, for studying Newton's first law of motion, you have to first study about the Aristotle and the Galileo. Aristotle. He was considered one of the most famous philosophers at that time. He put his leg into almost every field of science. Now, he suggested that natural state of objects is to remain at rest, and that's for many years people believed him also. Now, why he had stated this? It is because he experiments that whenever we push or pull an object, after some time it will come to rest. So by this, he thinks that every object in this universe wants to come to at rest, and after that he stated that natural state of objects is to remain at rest. But now we all know that it was untrue. Objects come to rest only after an external or friction is acting on that object. Now let us talk about Galileo. Galileo was the first person to state that if an object is in motion, it will remain in motion, and if an object is at rest, it will remain at rest until and unless an external force is applied to it. Now, you must be thinking that this is the first law of motion which is proposed by Isaac Newton. Yes, Isaac Newton take that idea from Galileo and stated at first law of motion. Truly, it was the Galileo's law of motion. Now, let us talk about inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist its state. Suppose if an object is at rest, it will remain at rest, means it will resist its change to go in motion. And if an object is in motion, it will remain in motion until and unless an external force is applied to it. Now let us look at the couple of examples which are very common and based on the first law of motion. Suppose you are in a bus and the bus is moving. You are sitting in a bus and the bus driver suddenly applies a brake. You suddenly get a jerk on the forwards. This is because your body is moving and it suddenly came to rest, so it will take some time to come to rest. That's why you get a sudden jerk. So that's all for this video. If you guys like it, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to more.